Welcome! In this video we will see how to create the sailorman whipping. We will need a little line. I use this waxed line that is very strong. So we take the rope, we put this line under one strand, we open the rope like this by turning, by twisting, and we put the line inside. We take just a little bit of rope of the line like this, and then we start to go around the rope. How? We put just a little bit of this black line back to the rope, and then we start to go make some loops, one after another, like this. It's important to pull very strong in this way, otherwise the line can comes undone a little bit. And then after some loops like this, we can stop it and then put the running hand, this part, back to the loops, and then we start to make the knot. How we start? It's quite easy. Look, we do just another half like this. It's quite easy. We start from here and we put the just a little one like this. We put the strand, the line over the strand like this. But first we have to go under the first strand like this. One, we have to open it like this. We go inside, we pull, okay, we pull the line back to the loops, and then we do like this. You see, I follow the line of the rope, the strands, just one, and then I go inside under this part, this one, like this. I follow, I open the strand, and I go inside. So what I'm doing, I'm doing some loops around the rope and then some loops around the loops. You see, one is here, then I go up on the left following the line of the strand. I open this strand like this and go inside. Another time. Okay. And then back. I go like this, I open this strand, this, and we are quite ready. As you can see now, there is, okay, our loops around the rope, and with every strand there is the line blocking the loops. Then we have just to finish the knot by taking this line and making a little square knot. We pull very hard and we are ready. We finish the whipping by cutting the two parts like this. And the whipping is done. Then if we want, we have to take some tape, put it over here and cut the rope and burn. This whipping is a little bit stronger compared to the common whipping, because these loops around the strands hold them all together very, very strong.